Bong! Ja, okay. Hvad hedder hun? Elise. Elise, I wanted to tell you how much of a good player I think you are. You are just doing everything right. Can you maybe teach me someday? Fuck. Forstår jeg ikke af det her. Gør det. Fizz, I know you are my counter, but anyway, but even if you were playing someone else, I would probably still lose to your skills. Jeg tror til ham igen. See, there again. You are just the better player between us. Please. Hvad mere skal jeg skrive til manden? Altså, jeg har lige basically sagt, at han skal føde mine børn. Det er ikke en helt dum idé. Fizz, will you by any chance like to... hvad hedder det på engelsk? Feed? Føde? Give birth to my children. Jeg er bare nødt til at få noget mere for ham. Selvfølgelig står han der i de fucking buske, altså. Jeg har skrevet alt, hvad der er. How would you like to come on Discord and teach me how to play this fabulous game? You are basically pro. Meget liv har den der. I love you all so much. Thanks for a good game. Hop 100 gange for 100 kroner. Raffe Laffe, det kommer fucking ikke til at ske.